before the end of this video, this will run. Rings came in and I changed the rings. In my experience, when you can do that to a ring, they've been hot. Engine Tech standard rings, Engine Tech gasket kit. Put the rings, new rings on the pistons, put them back down in their hole. Here's the new head gasket. I stuck the head on it. I've got the torque, the rod bolts and the head bolts. All right, it runs. I didn't let it run very long because I don't have that belt on it yet. I don't have that belt on it yet because I found a missing bolt for the alternator, and that lower one's loose. So, kind of my guess that that belt got out of line and flung the belt, and then that's what made it get hot. I put some clean out oil in it. The oil that I used, there was nothing really wrong with it, but I wouldn't want to leave it in this. So after I get the belt on it and that alternator tightened up and everything, I'll let it run till it gets to temperature, and then I'll dump that out of it, put a new oil change in it with new filter, and set the valves and do all that stuff. But you're seeing it run. Yay. You know, here's the difference I've already noticed between a 3-cylinder and a 4-cylinder. The 3-cylinders shake a lot. The 4-cylinders run smooth. They sound the same. So, anyway, I'll see us again in the next video. In the next video, we'll finish this and see how it does.